How to use menstrual cup?
Is it comfortable?
Comparison between ordinary pads and menstrual cup.
What if it get lost inside my body? Is it safe?
How to insert a menstrual cup?
I'm gonna answer all of these questions, but first, hi. I hope you are fine, and I'm fine too. So I got my periods on Holi, and I did shoot a Holi vlog, but it was a half vlog, so there is no point of uploading that half vlog. So this video is going to be a very informative and interesting video, so don't skip. I ordered my menstrual cup last month when I was done with my periods. Let's see what's inside this. I already knew, but this is for you. So this has very cute packing and color. You can see uh, this is an intimate wash for hygiene purpose, and they have this cute bag inside this. We have a menstrual cup which look like this. Yeah, exactly. So the menstrual cup comes with three sizes, that as small, medium, and large. So the large is for the women who have already given the birth, and the M medium is for the women who are sexually, active, and S is for the girls and the women who are sexually not active. So I ordered this S size. So on first day of my periods, I already tried to insert it, but couldn't because I was very new to this thing, and also I get to know about my body more. We have read so many times about our body, but that was the time I genuinely feel that, oh my god, this is the purpose of this thing. Oh, this is the purpose of this thing. So yeah, it was a good experience, not a good experience. It was just I got panic whenever I tried to insert it. I felt something unusual inside my body, so I instantly removed it. Last 3 days was very painful for me, and first day I gave it a try, but I failed, and on second third day I didn't give a try. So on fourth day I'm little bit high in energy and calm and patient too. So I thought, let's give it a try once more and see what happens with me today. So I'm going to insert it now, and let's see what happens. Just pray for me. Okay, I'm nervous, and yes, I'm nervous, but just let's do it. So I have a good news that I successfully insert my menstrual cup, and I'm wearing it right now. How do you feel? तुझे पता है, मतलब उस दिन मैं ट्राई कर रही थी, तो मैं 1 घंटा ट्राई करती रही, पर मेरे से नहीं हुआ।
आज कैसे किया?
मैंने
शक्ति आ गई थी?
शक्ति आ गई थी, मैंने सेकंड ट्राई में ही कर दिया। तो मैंने ना वो जो मेंस्ट्रुअल कप था ना, वो इंसर्ट कर दिया, वो मेरे अंदर चले गया।
अच्छा।
मतलब मैंने पैड भी नहीं लगाया है, और वो लीक भी नहीं कर रहा है, और मुझे ऐसे कुछ अलग सा भी नहीं लग रहा, और एक ही बारी में कर लिया। उस दिन तो वैसे हो भी नहीं रहा था, तभी हो गया। तो आपको कैसा अच्छा लग रहा है आपको? कि अब आपको कि अब आपको सुनो, तो कि अब सुन तो सही, कि अब आपको वो पैड्स मतलब है ना इकट्ठे करके कहीं दबाने नहीं पड़ेंगे, या फिर उनको जलाना नहीं पड़ेगा। हाँ,
बेली चौधरी रही है ना?
वो थी ना बेली चौधर, तो अब तो नहीं होगी।
अब पता नहीं, ठीक रहे बस मैं।
अच्छा सुनो तो सही, इम्पोर्टेंट है, इम्पोर्टेंट है कुछ।
बोलो बोलो।
तो ना मैंने ना वो मेंस्ट्रुअल कप ना इंसर्ट कर लिया है।
सीरियसली? यार
सच-
कैसे?
वो और ना वो भी मतलब ऐसे फर्स्ट ट्राई में।
ओ तेरी। हाँ,
और मेरे को बड़ा मजा आया, मतलब मैंने पूरा दिन तक खाया, और मतलब ओ माय गॉड,
सच्ची?
सच्ची। So our very first question is how to insert it. So it looks like this, and it has a little stem here. I will tell you the purpose of this also, and you can see the little holes here, and another one is here for the transmission of air. You can insert it in two ways. One is you have to make a C shape this and just push it inside your area, and uh, then just leave it. And this is how it will go in a first way, and I find it very difficult with this. I do it with the second way, that is just pinch it like this and make a cone and just hold it like this and insert it in a little tilt direction. When it is all inserted, you just have to do this and it will pop up. And yeah, so our next question is, why am I switching from ordinary pads to menstrual cup? So the answer is very simple. I find it very difficult to uh, uh, dispose them or hide them. Next question is it comfortable to wear it? So yeah, it is very comfortable. I am wearing it from past 1 hour, and I don't find something unusual or something uncomfortable, so it is very comfortable. How we save our money by using menstrual cup? Oh my god. So in a 1 month, we use around 3 to 4 packets. Let's take 4 packets, and one packet cost 40 rupees. So 4 into 4 is 160 of 1 month. Let's take 200 of 1 month. So 12 into 2 is 20, like 2000 to 3000 we invested in our 1 year, and another 3000 in another year. This one menstrual cup, which lasts long for about 6 to 10 years, and I bought it just around 300 to 400, one time investment, and just relax for 10 years. I mean, like, how much money you save? My god, I wasted that much money. GoPro आ जाता जितना पैसा मैंने इस पर इन्वेस्ट किया है. Shit, shit, shit. Okay, दे रहा है दुरुस्त है. What's the difference between ordinary pads and menstrual cup? Cup is comfortable, ordinary pads is not. Um, it's so uncomfortable. Like, I have to just I can't sit properly. I have to just adjust it. I don't have to feel that embarrassment of buying pads in public. Uncle, please, pads देंगे, and that look from other people and the shopkeeper. Yes, yes. Also, one more thing which I forgot to mention is it's reusable, and pads are not, because once you use them, you have to throw it. That's the only way you left with uh, ordinary pads. But in this case, you can use it whenever you felt like, just remove it and throw all the blood which it collected, and just wash it again and insert it again. And this is how you can reuse it again and again. So our last question is how to remove it. So all you have to do, just feel the stem and little punching in the bottom, and this is how slowly, 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 slowly you can remove it or make a C shape again and again. And yeah, honestly, I find it little difficult while removing it, but I did remove it 2 times, and if I do it again, maybe I'll get the idea of doing this. I think I have answered all the questions related this. Those questions which came into my mind, and I think that's the questions which will come into your mind, or which did come into your minds. Honestly, this was something which took a lot of courage to do it, but I wanted to do it and I just did it. And I'm so happy and excited, and yes, a lot of mixed feelings. Or if boys are watching this video, do share it with your mother, your sisters, all have to say it, and the girls are saying it, please do it. And if you are already using it, I love you. And those who are not, just please do it, and do let me know how was the experience and how is it. Okay, I don't think so. I left something. And yes, if you like this video, do give it a big thumb to this particular video, and just comment because it motivates me, and subscribe if you haven't. And if you are subscribing it now, just hit the bell icon so that you'll get the notification. And bye bye, take care. We'll meet you soon. Bye.